The lost wolf cub has been waiting for 3 long days. Only Spy Cub has been keeping watch. Desperate. He's both hungry and tired. He now needs the pack more than ever. Many miles away, the pack is still searching. The cub's calls can carry for over a mile, but only if the wind is in the right direction. The mother can only follow her instincts. She has so little to go on. It seems her cub did the right thing. He heads off in the direction of his mother's howls. It's taken 3 days of searching, but she's found him. There's no time for celebration. She must get him back to the den. Now the whole pack can welcome him back. The father makes good as he returns bearing gifts. Pack life was once thought to be about dominance and submission. But what's actually more important are their deep bonds of friendship.